Quick review of these microfiber towels. There are 75 reusable microfiber towels in here. These are from Fantasticlean and they are so handy to have. So if we pull this off here, you can see they are reusable. You can wash these and reuse them. They're a nice soft microfiber. They're amazing for cleaning anything. Take a few of these off, leave them in the glove box of your car, leave them down in your home gym, wiping off furniture, for cars and for bikes and for cleaning up your garage, or for they'd be really great for in hotels or Airbnbs, or just to throw under your sink for pets, for working, you know, as like a work rag for painting. I'm always looking for those. So these are going to be so amazing. Again, you can reuse it, wash and reuse them like up to 50 times, it says. So these are way more absorbent than paper towels as well. So if you would like to just kind of swap these out for a paper towel instead, to kind of reuse and conserve the environment that way, that would also be a really great option. So again, you get a ton of them in here, multi-purpose for pretty much anything. I'm going to put these all over the place in our sports bags, in our basement, in our cars, in our garage, in my bathrooms, under my sinks, all sorts of things, so that we always have one. And I hope that this helped.